after a long
So
time.
this is my comeback to ABS, not my comeback. First, I mean, after a long time,
After a long
with
time.
Dreamscape. So I'm also very happy that I was given this role. I've worked with Direct Jojo many times and Direct Manny Palo. Parang he took the place of one of the directors before sa Blood Sisters. Noong una medyo natakot ako, sabi ko, oh no, Manny Palo. But then, when he worked kasi with us sa Blood Sisters, sabi ko, magaling siyang director kasi he's very meticulous with the characters, with the script. Nakikialam siya, bakit ganito, ganyan, inaayos niya. So, anyway, long and short of it, I was very happy to have been offered the role. And I worked naman with Mike. Jameson is the first time. Jane also first time. But I really, really wanted to work with Joshua kasi nung napanood ko siya sa movie na he had a movie with Julia na sabi ko, galing ng batang to, gusto kong makatrabaho. And then I saw him pa again sa yung movie niya with Maricel, yung meet greet. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng area nilang dalawa, yung mahabang-mahaba niyang area. Sabi ko, palakpak talaga, ang galing ng batang to. Ivana, I wanted to meet her for the longest time kasi nag-vlog din kaming family, di ba? So, sabi ko, gusto ko ma-meet yung vlogger na yan. But I didn't expect her to be really warm. Akala ko mataray siya, pero she's so super bait, she's so loving, very generous. And then, JM and Fiang first time, but naku, Fiang is like my baby girl. Lahat naman ang nagagawa kong series, pag anak ko, nagiging anak-anakan ko talaga. And I would say, just like Michael said, Fiang has a lot to offer. I mean, she has a lot to promise her audience. She is a multifaceted performer. Talagang, kahit na magulo yan before the scene, kahit na magulo yan. Pero pag alam niyang iiyak siya, tinitingnan ko makaka-deliver ba to, yung eksena namin na talagang confrontation, sasampalin ko. Takot na takot siya kung sasampalin ko siya, sabi ko, hindi kita sasampalin. Hindi ako nananampal. Hindi, pwede lang kahit slight, hindi nga kita sasampalin, sabi ko, sabayin mo na. But I was amazed that she was able to deliver. So sa mind ko, magaling tong bulilit na to. At si Ronnie, hindi ko siya JM, hindi ko naka-eksena. Si Epi, first time in the same project, but I'm sad that we never had a scene together, except for one in the hospital. One lang sa hospital, wala pang masyadong dialogue. Ayun. And then si Ara naman, first time to work together, at least nagkaroon kami ng sagupaan ditong confrontation. Big, the kabet! Ay, ako ng kabet! So yun, and si Ivana also is a revelation kasi akala ko si Ivana, vlog lang yan. But then, you know, si Ivana kasi knows how to use her eyes na talagang makes her eyes the windows of her soul. So very, alam niyang gamitin ang mga mata niya. Eh lalo na si Joshua naman talagang maaantig ka sa acting niya eh. Minsan kahit na walang dialogue, presence niya lang, yung mata niya lang. Sabi ko, hanip ang batang to. So I'm very proud. And Jameson is my first time to work with him. I'm so happy naman to be his mama. So, he's also discovering his skills, but I'm really proud na talagang he's diligent enough to really study his scenes, to know his scenes. Minsan naaawa ko sa kanya kasi lagi siyang galit sa eksena. I mean, yung character niya kasi ganon. But yung weakness kasi ng character ko, Katarina has also many facets. I love playing the role. I actually played with the role. Minsan meron siyang, kumbaga mayabang siya pag alahera, ganyan-ganyan, mataas, alta, which is type ko yung mga roles na yan, alta. Ayoko ng poor. And then, mahirap kasi mainit pag doon ang shooting, ayoko. Pero pagdating nga kay Divino, naiinis ako sa mga pambababae niya. But yet, I'm not so kawawa naman to run after him. Parang sabi ko nga parang a man who's easily taken is public property and it's not my business to run after something that's publicly owned. I know me. Diba? Parang you know yourself. Nakakatuwa. Basta one thing that I really liked about working in this set, para kaming family. Pag nasa room kami nila, Jane, si Fiang, ang gulo-gulo namin, tawanan lang kami ng tawanan. For the first time, I felt like I wasn't 64. I felt like I was in my 30s or 20s kasi giggling talaga kami all the all the mga kilig days ng mga mako, if the walls only had ears. At saka ang sarap sa set na to kasi madalas magpakain ng mga direktor.
Yun naman pala. That's a secret.
Ang dalas magpakain, ang sarap naman magluto ni Direk Jojo.
Ay, grabe.
So, bonggang-bongga na nakasama ko sa project na to. At sana may next.
Yun.
Para makakain uli ako.
Thank you, Miss Dina. Grabe. Floating on cloud nine si Fiang, si Ibarra, saka si Joshua sa mga sinabi ni Miss Dina. Ara, ikaw naman. How does it feel to be part of Love Is Never Gone?
I never expected na magiging part ako ng show kasi ako yung pinaka-late na pumasok sa last edition na pumasok na dito sa cast. And hindi naman po ako nagdalawang isip na tanggapin yung ano. Kasi like what Miss D told earlier na nung pinanood niyo si Joshua na magaling si Joshua, sabi ko napanood ko na rin siya eh. Sabi ko magaling tong batang to. So, nung in-offer na magiging mom ako ni Joshua, okay. So parang hindi ako nagdalawang isip. I don't think na mahirapan akong maging magtatrabaho siya. Which is, hindi talaga. Hindi ako nagkamali sa pagtanggap. And I've worked with Miss D long time ago. Sobrang tagal na and happy ako naka-work ko siya. And of course, si Kuya Mike with Provinciano, pero hindi kami magka-eksena doon sa Provinciano. And this is my actually comeback after 4 years sa serye. So, sa Dreamscape. And thankful ako sa Dreamscape for getting me here dito sa Rita Crisanto role. And si Jameson, I've worked with him before, and si Jane din also, araw-gabi before, tagal na rin. And iba na, long time din na, tagal na yun.
So marami ka na naka-work in this
Araw-gabi din,
cast.
araw-gabi
Oh,
din.
wow.
And first time with JM and Fiang, nag-enjoy ako katrabaho sila. And nung una, feeling ko suplada si Fiang.
Ay.
Sabi ko, no, pinapin. Hindi, nahiya lang pala siya. Nahiya lang pala siya, pero totoo yung sinabi ni Miss D, na ano siya, parang bata pa, pero pag nag-deliver nga ng pag nasa eksena na, she can deliver talaga.
Wow.
Yun nga, hindi siya nahihirapan umiyak, kaya niya. Lalo na yung eksena natin, basta may eksena tayong grabe pa ulit-ulit, hindi ka naubusan ng luha. ng emotion. Paulit-ulit yun, nakakapagod. As in, maraming times. Pero, it's the fault of nature or not the fault of everyone. And JM, napaka-humble na bata. Keep it up. Yeah. Parang napaka-grounded niya. And of course, Epi, ngayon lang kami nagkatrabaho ng mas matagal. Like before. And Direk Manny and Direk Jojo, I love working with them. Sobrang kahit marami na ako nakasamang directors, marami pa rin ako natututunan with them. And syempre kahit matagal ka na sa industry, you never stop learning. Kailangan may natututunan ka din sa mga newcomer. May natututunan ka din sa kanila. And si Joshua, wala akong masabi, napaka-humble, grounded. Huwag kang magbabago ha. Kung nadadaguhan kita.
Ayun na.
And yan, si Ivana, happy set lahat. Actually, lagi kami busog. Kasi mahilig magpakain si Ivana, mahilig magpakain si Joshua, pati yung mga directors namin. Kaya I think I gained 5 pounds.
Ay, grabe. Inisip ko tuloy, set ba to o restaurant? Na
Parang feeling ko restaurant.
Restaurant. Yeah, sabi nga nila pag maraming food, mas masaya lahat. Diba?
Yes, pag happy tummy, happy set.
Yon! Thank you, Ara. Maraming salamat.
Thank you again, Dreamscape, and thank you guys. Love you guys.
Epi, ikaw naman. How was it?
Actually, I have not worked with everyone except
Fresh to lahat.
except for Kuya Mike. I think James and I at the film, and yun na. I've not worked. First time to work with everyone.
Wow.
So actually, when I heard it was a Joshua courtesy of him. Actually, nasa ano ko nasa